children, in our previous video we have learned about the environment. You have studied about the pollution, that is air pollution. Now today we are going to learn about the water pollution. Water pollution. What is mean by water pollution? When water get mixed with the harmful things such as garbage and waste, it is known as a water pollution. See, when water get mixed with harmful things such as garbage, or waste, it is known as water pollution. See children, when water get mixed with harmful things such as garbage and waste, it is known as water pollution. But children, how the water get polluted? Now we will see the reason. Children, water get polluted by first reason, bathing, washing clothes, and utensils in water bodies. Then second reason, washing animals in pond or river. And third reason is dumping household waste or industrial or factory waste into water bodies. Now these are the reasons. First reason is bathing and washing clothes and utensils in water bodies. Second is washing animals in pond or rivers. Third, dumping household waste or industrial or factory waste into water bodies. See children, due to some human activities like bathing, when we are bathing, we use soaps and shampoos to wash out the dirtiness of our body. But after that, do you imagine where this wastewater gone? It goes into the water bodies. Then washing clothes and utensils. In the village, there's people washing clothes and utensils in the water bodies. This is also the reason to get water polluted. Then second, washing animals in pond and rivers. So many people wash their animals in the river or pond. This is the reason that the river water or pond water get polluted and we do not use it for drinking. Then the third reason is dumping household water waste or industrial or factory waste into water bodies. As I say you, when we are bathing or washing the clothes and washing the utensil at house, that is our household waste or any type of garbage. These household waste are also thrown into the water bodies. And then industries and factories are mostly located on the bank of rivers. So these factories and industries use the water to produce their production or things. So after using the water, the remaining waste water or dirty water, they directly dump or throw into the water bodies. So that children, our water bodies get polluted and these polluted water get impure and dirty. It is not used to drinking and cleaning ourselves. So this polluted water causes so many infections and diseases. Some waterborne diseases are jaundice and typhoid spread because of polluted water. Do you know children what is typhoid? Typhoid is a type of fever and it is caused because of dirty food and the impure water. And in jaundice, skin and eyes color turn into yellow. So this is also caused by the impure and dirty water. So children, polluted water is not good for everyone. So we should take care of our water bodies and we don't have to spoil it. We have to keep it clean and pure. And always remember that don't drink water without making it pure or filter. So always drink the filter water. Understand children?